Tracking your sleep can help you get better sleep more often. At humanOS, we track two things. We track sleep period, which is the time you spend in bed getting sleep, and bedtime, which is the time you try to fall asleep at night. Both are important and measure different things. So how can you track sleep on humanOS? You can track sleep manually by going to the tracker, clicking on sleep, and entering your information. And once you do and hit save, you'll see it entered below. Or you can integrate humanOS with one of several different sleep tracking devices. Let's go to the Integrations tab and take a look at what we integrate with. Here are a variety of different services that you can use to track your sleep at night, and when you integrate them with humanOS, we'll pull in that data to populate your profile. If we go back to the dashboard, we have a sleep tile, and here we show you sleep period and bedtime. We show you your goal, we show you what your sleep was last night, and we also show you your average for sleep period and bedtime over the last 7 days, so you can have awareness of how you've been sleeping recently. If you turn over the tile, you can integrate with devices. This is how you can get back to where we just were. You can change your sleep goals, and you can also turn this tile off if you're not interested in tracking your sleep. Let's take a closer look now at the sleep subpage by clicking on this arrow in the right-hand corner. On the subpage, you can take a deeper dive into your own sleep data. You can see your sleep goal and your bedtime. We show you your daily average, your high, your low in this period of time, and this is over a 7-day period. But if I change it to 1 month or 3 months, these time periods will change and so will the data. So here, we're now looking at your actual bedtime. But if I want to look at sleep period, or length of time that I'm in bed trying to get to sleep at night, then click over here. And it'll modify the graph for me. On the top right, this shows you a lifetime history of how you've met your goals, what your average sleep time is, and if I switch back over to bedtime, you'll notice that this changes as well. A great thing about tracking is that it can give you insights into how you're living that otherwise would be hard to see. So wearing a device that captures your sleep and having that automatically integrate to humanOS gives you a great track record of how you've been living over different periods of time. We call sleep the mundane but meaningful. It's one of these things that we recognize as important, but a lot of times life gets in the way, so tracking sleep can help you get better sleep on a more consistent basis.